This video shows the amazing skill of a wood craftsman transforming a rough piece of wood into a beautiful handmade object using a wood turning machine. At the beginning of the video, we see a rough and uneven piece of wood mounted onto a wood lathe. The wood still has a natural and irregular surface, with fibers and rough textures visible. The craftsman carefully secures the wood so it can rotate safely and evenly. Once the machine starts spinning, the wood begins to rotate very fast. The craftsman holds a sharp turning tool against the spinning wood. Slowly and carefully, he presses the tool into the surface. Small pieces of wood begin to fly off as thin shavings. These shavings fall around the machine, creating a soft pile of wood dust and curls. As the craftsman continues shaping the wood, the rough block gradually becomes smoother and more rounded. The tool moves steadily along the surface, removing excess wood layer by layer. You can see the shape starting to form as the craftsman works with precision and control. Next, the wood begins to take the shape of a small container or decorative vase. The sides become curved and balanced. The craftsman uses different angles with the tool to refine the design and create smooth curves. The spinning motion of the lathe helps achieve a perfectly symmetrical shape. In the middle of the process, the craftsman adjusts his grip and carefully carves more detailed contours near the top and bottom of the piece. Wood shavings continue to fly away in long spiral curls. This shows how sharp the cutting tool is and how skilled the craftsman is at controlling it. As the shaping continues, the surface of the wood becomes smoother and more refined. The craftsman carefully removes small amounts of wood to perfect the final form. The object now clearly looks like a small wooden vase or decorative container. Toward the final stage, the craftsman focuses on the details. He uses the tool gently to create clean edges and balanced curves. Every movement is slow and controlled to ensure the design looks symmetrical and elegant. Finally, the piece looks smooth, polished, and beautifully shaped. What started as a rough block of wood has now been transformed into a finely crafted wooden object through patience, skill, and precision. This video perfectly demonstrates the art of wood turning, showing how traditional craftsmanship and careful technique can turn simple raw wood into a beautiful handmade creation.